You your way up, and then the co-pilot and stuff just arrived for this one. So we'll see what happens. Here comes the go-kart. Real truck is leaving. There he goes. Either that or he's going to video time. There he goes. And now we're getting this one ready. We're still waiting for this guy to come back. Third truck, that's like an inspector to make sure a plane's ready to fly. They're both getting ready to leave. But this one's going to take longer. They gotta get through safety inspections, and then this guy's probably gonna take off. Yeah, that means our ship landing there. That's a pretty good size. Yeah. All right. Yeah, he's going to take a minute or two to sit down. So I'll let you guys know when he gets down there. There he goes.
Yeah, then I go in there. Then it's a guy. You can see it. Yeah,
Please don't take that taxiway.
out of it. It's that far up there.
Please don't take that taxiway.
And
These guys are about to leave too.
I said to him, I said, hey, you got a big one now.
Here he comes.
Yeah.
Told you. Mini plane.
And yeah, but he was the only person I found. Yeah, and I said, when you're down, I said, I work for Hyde. Which one? That'll be wrong. I yeah, probably, you know, yeah, that store I like where I go to right now. They still like
Does he still have the door open? He still has the door.
you're home.
His door is open.
That door's open, man.
Your door is open, chat. Bro, your door. I still don't think he knows that his door's open. Flappers are moving.
Yeah. Well, it makes you go up and go down.
You know that's actually got the rear stabilizer.
There's a couple of times, because like we don't have anything on the books, even coming in, there may be stuff that pops up. But
Well, we're gonna be here for longer than we normally are. Normally we're here for like 10 minutes.
how about 12 minutes? Thank you.
Unless this is the 8 o'clocker.
The 8 o'clocker? Is that going before 8 o'clock?
Well, they're currently getting pushed back, so I don't even know what they're doing currently. And I think these two guys are about to get ran over if they don't get over to their plane. Look how big this jet is.
Oh, the one coming?
Look, come here.
Oh, that's a big jet.
Good Lord. Holy bejesus.
It's a big jet.
That is a big jet.
For this airport, absolutely.
Wow. Well, that reminds me of the first one that was over there.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, that's what they look like from the side.
Wow.
They look like
That
jets.
one leaving?
I have no idea. It could be moving to another spot. That could literally be the 8 o'clocker.
That could be the 8 o'clocker that we're not going to be here for.
No, we're not.
No, it's like, oh. No.
Unless he's currently getting pushed back all the way to the runway, which would be stupid. I mean, I can look up the flight code on the side. First one. Yeah, that guy's definitely the 8 o'clocker. I'm 99% sure, unless this is the one of the ones that's at like 5.
Well, they're probably bringing it out here so they can check the oil, whatever you want to call it.
Thing is, when was supposed to land 1 minute ago?
Maybe you got caught in traffic.
Yeah.
There ain't much traffic.
By the beach.
Dude, don't put the cone in front of the. Well, there's one that's taking off. Or something. Dude, you're gonna hit the cone. Dude, you're gonna hit the cone. How did you not hit the cone?
They're going to make it different that they can get bigger planes in here now. Some year they're going to make it bigger.
I hear one.
This area is growing so much that
I hear one. Don't know where he's going.
that sounds like a prop plane.
He's right up there. Look up.
Something should drop right here.
Oh, second attempt. Try not murdering the cones. We just murdered a cone. Let down the gate. Meant the stairwell, I think.
Yep. Do we need to get hard balls?
Yep.
I'll be alright.
We don't need that. throw that piece away.
Get better fuel economy.
Without
Less
that.
weight.
Without that.
We're about to remove the pushback cart, whatever you want to call it, from the aircraft's wheel. They're removing all the stuff that's holding it. That's how they move planes that don't have any fuel. They use that to make them get to their gates.
And then they're going
See?
to have fuel it then.
Yeah, they're going to bring out the fuel cart now. See? He's pulling the stopper so it doesn't roll.
Just like what Pop-Up does with his boat. So it doesn't go forward. Yeah, even I know that.
Well, let me get in the seat. Whoop. Let's go for a ride.
Tell them that you want to go for a ride on it.
No,
No?
that'd be scary.
I'm a low rider.
I would.
Trying to land a plane.
Right.
No, not
Hey,
him.
Mr.
This
Obvious.
guy. And I think
That
he's
guy's
the
taking a nap.
8 o'clocker.
Well, we'll be
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we'll see you tomorrow.
It's only
Stop singing Annie. Let's see, is he going to go over to the small plane park? Or is he going to be dumb and park over here? That would be funny if he parks right next to that big thing. Actually, I think they're registering that big thing with the things right now. Either that or that's the 8 o'clocker. Don't know where the plane went, by the way. He's hidden. I think he went the other way. No, there he is. Dude, you're 6 minutes late. What were you doing? That's the one we saw take off. I'm pretty sure.
He will probably poop.
I think that's the one with its door open.
I don't think so. That one was red.
Yeah, he's